Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, you see Ronnie Speed over here in Mill Valley. Let's look at the redwood trees. Willie Speedman over here. Willie Beeman Wednesdays. We out here doing the damn thing, making this money. See the Prius in the background. Best car for Uber. What about the Tesla? Shut up. Over here in Alameda. See the boats behind me? So I'm over here by the Golden Gate Bridge. So I'm over here at the Embarcadero in San Francisco. So I'm over here in Richmond. So I'm over here in some random neighborhood in Walnut Creek. So I'm over here, where the fuck I'm at? So I'm over here in some random nice neighborhood in Fremont. All right, so I'm over here in some nice random neighborhood in Oakland, man. So I'm over here in East Oakland. Look at this physique. We out here getting it in. Same as 2022. This year's gonna be epic. Still doing push-ups, still getting money. Some bigger tits, bitch, I'm Willie Beeman. What the fuck you thinking? Talking shit to bitches like my shit ain't stinking. Got the remote, I control the thinking. Rick and love boats, man, I got them sinking. Can't handle it. Y'all remember last year getting the push-ups in between trips? People complain, oh, well, you know, it's like long waiting periods in between trips. Y'all could easily be doing push-ups. But y'all lazy. Everybody, ooh, calculations on depreciation. What about this? You probably spent 50% on gas. Shut up. Clowns, they ain't really out here driving. People be like, how much did you pay in gas? $33.10 for 7.3 gallons. Not too shabby. Letting everybody know you the best. Speeding like a machine. Yeah, crispiest driver. See, one of the best things about driving is when you come to neighborhoods like this. Get to see some of the beautiful homes.
We in this bitch. Oh shit, I've been on. You know it's crazy. All right, this is MB. Don't box MB on IG. Everywhere else, don't box MB. Known Ronnie Speed for years. Nigga been a get money nigga. So before, I can't even curse on your shit, huh? Oh shit, back. Been a get money nigga. Been doing this Uber shit and Lyft shit. Been getting money, so it ain't really no big deal for this shit. Any of you lame ass niggas on YouTube complaining and shit, get off the fucking ride app then. Do something else. You can complain, get off the app. Fuck all the other shit.
Okay. Man, what's going on, people? Drum roll, guitar, piano, Ronnie Speed. Coming back, let's get it. Man, you see the little introduction, man. I just want to make this video a little bit different. Start it off the right way. Make it a little fun, man. Show some of the experiences that you have throughout the work week when you driving Uber and Lyft, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. So you see the topic of this video. How can you make money consistently driving Uber and Lyft? And of course, I'm gonna give y'all a few tips, a few things that y'all can implement while you are on your journey to making 2 racks a week. Yeah, so we're gonna do a few tips. We're gonna do the weekly recap for the past couple weeks. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna conclude the video because I'm gonna make it real short and sweet. So I know some of y'all don't wanna watch the video for 18, 20 plus minutes. So I'm gonna make this as short and sweet as possible. Let's go. And last week, February 6th through February 13th was online 50 hours, 26 minutes for $1,731. And I'm gonna put the screenshots right back up here, bam. And y'all can look at it. There's no need to go by the day-by-day breakdown. Yeah, this video just more so about how to make money consistently, giving y'all tips, tricks, and motherfucking back flips. Okay, man, the number 1 tip that I have if you wanna make money consistently driving Uber and Lyft, I think it comes with a decision. A decision that you have to make within yourself if you even wanna do this. What I mean by that is, have you ever just woke up and like, you know, I just want to be the best at doing this, make 2,000, 1,700, 1,500, whatever your goal is, man. You have to make that decision. You can't make money consistently if you have no goal, no threshold, no type of standard for yourself. That is first and foremost. And even if something goes wrong, you know, the market slows up, You have to come some type of adversity throughout the week, some certain setbacks if you're dealing with car problems. How are you going to bounce back from it? So make that decision first and foremost within yourself. Number 2, learn how to have fun. Learn how to have fun in your market. You know, that's why I pretty much made the beginning intro like this. You know, I kind of made it fun, show y'all the places that I go, show the things I implement while I'm driving as far as push-ups, me getting out the car talking shit, me looking at nice, you know, neighborhoods and homes when I'm driving. You know, all of that, man. You know, that comes with the game. You know, it's fun. You know, it's fun to do stuff like that. And also, you know, passenger interactions, man. Do you interact with your passengers? And because I know y'all get tired of telling the same stories over and over again. Do you drive full time? Like, no. Or you sitting there with a mask on, driving 10-2. You know, you gotta have fun with this, man. And the more fun you're able to have, the better your experience will be, the more tips you will have, and the more you would, you know, like what you're doing. If you're not driving, you're just sitting there in negative headspace, you know, earphones on, just 10-2 pissed off, you're not gonna really enjoy it, man. You're really not. So, you know, learn how to have fun. Number 3, if you wanna make money consistently while doing this, wake up as early as possible, anywhere from 4 to 5 in the morning, like I always say. That way you could get most of your driving done while people are going to lunch. You got damn near half your day done, you know, when people are going to lunch. You already got anywhere from 5, 6, sometimes even 8 hours in, you know, depending on what time you really start and wake up. So take advantage of that. Because a lot of people are under oppression, like, oh, well, if I drive a lot of hours, I'm gonna have a life to do anything. I mean, that's not exactly true, because everybody got the same amount of time. People just structure their day differently and also manage their time more wisely than you. So, you know, wake up early, get your driving done, anywhere from, I'll say, try to get 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours, and you can come home at a decent time, work on your purpose for an hour, and be in bed by a decent time. Easier said than done. It may take a lot of y'all, you know, some disciplines or certain things that you have to sacrifice in order to do that if you do want to make money consistently. And last but not least, man, number 4 is distractions. This is what's going to kill most of y'all. Y'all too distracted, man. Regardless if it's, you know, friends around you or, you know, certain events that's around, traveling, you know, sleeping in, or whatever your vice is, you know, you could be distracted. Transitioning to doing this is all on you. So you have the flexibility to do whatever you want to do. And that could be a blessing and a curse, because a lot of y'all cannot handle the freedom and not handle the autonomy. You know, y'all go crazy. You drive for a few hours. Hey, yeah, what you doing? Oh, I'm about to hang out with one of my homeboys. Trust me, man. I was just in an Uber last week, and the guy was telling me how he get, you know, distracted a lot, you know, because he grew up in the area. He started driving, you know, he meet up with his friends, and next you know, he just messed up his whole day. So don't be that person, man. Get rid of the distractions. Your main goal should be, you know, making the money, specifically $2,000 in a week, and or whatever your goal is, regardless of if you're doing this full time or part time. Hit your goal first, then you have fun later. You can't have fun, then fuck up your goal. No. Goals, then fun. So yeah, so why didn't you not make $2,000 these past couple weeks? I forgot what happened the first week of February. I think I just spent a lot of time, you know, working and editing videos. So, you know, I messed that week up, you know, certain distractions, or I'm gonna say more specifically for my situation, it was time management. I didn't manage my time wisely that week. So it is what it is. You know, I had like $1,452, and last week, you know, $1,731. But that wasn't 100% my fault, because, you know, I was like, all right, I'm about to start waking up early. I'm about to get my grind on. I'm about to make $2,000 this week. So I had it already in my mind. So Sunday, went to bed at a good time, woke up like around 4 a.m., went to the car, started up, low air pressure tire on. I'm like, oh my God. You know, stuff happens like that, you know. You try to be great, then you get a curveball thrown at you. So still got to swing. So, you know, I was like, fuck it. I'm going to get a few hours in, take my car in to get my tire replaced and see what's going on. So I got about 4 or 5 hours in. Let me see exactly how many hours I got in that Monday. Yeah, so that Monday I got about 3 hours and 26 minutes, and it was a good day. And I had to decline a $50 ride because I was going like 40 miles. And I was like, I got nails in the tire. And I just didn't have one nail. I had nails in 2 tires, and it was a total of 3 nails and 2 tires. So what can you do about that? So I drove 3 hours Monday. The next day, took my vehicle in to get the tires, either patched up or replaced. They was able to patch up one tire, and I had to replace the additional tire, but they didn't even have the tire in stock. So they didn't have the tire in stock. So I had to bring it back in the next day. So once they got the tire, they replaced it. And then the rest of the week I was pretty much grinding except for a Sunday, which I still ended up at 1,700. So not too shabby. And let's see how many hours I said again. How many hours was that? 50 hours, 26 minutes. So we could just say 50 and a half hours. Let's break it down, do the numbers for the nerds, and handy dandy calculator. So we do 1731 divided by, we do 50.5, just around up 50 hours and 30 minutes. That still averages out to be $34. So not too shabby, even that time frame. So bonuses was low. I think the bonuses only got like maybe like 100, maybe less than $100 of quest bonuses, and that's both of them added up. So I'll take it. And that's part of the game. Forget what Uber and Lyft gives you as far as quest bonuses and all their promotions. What really matters is how are you going to show up. I just try to show up each and every week. Every week is different, but you got to show up. Kind of like the NBA, NFL, whatever. You have good games, you have bad games, but you want to have more good games than bad games. And that's how I look at it. So it's a whole new week, and we're going to try to make 2 racks a week. So far, I have pretty much not too many things going on this week. So I promise you, I'm going to do it. I'm going to hit $2,000 this week. I promise. So next week, once you see it, you will see 2 racks a week, ladies and gentlemen. So far, February has been curveball for me, but hey, man, like I said, it all depends how I'm gonna show up, man. But so far this year has been going on, I would say pretty good, man. We getting close to the 8th pay period for this year, so we got a long way to go. Man. But yeah, man, I hope these 4 tips help. Drop a comment, share the video, let me know what else y'all want me to talk about and what would y'all like to see on the channel. I'm gonna incorporate more things that I do throughout the day, and show you more of my life. And that is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope these tips help. Like the video, share, blah blah blah. Other than that, show you little ways. Whatever. Ronnie Speed, over and out. Holla back. Peace.